Colorado Springs HVAC is seasonal and it is brutal. July, the AC dies in Broadmoor. January, the furnace dies in Glen Eagle. People search HVAC near me, AC repair. Colorado Springs furnace repair same day. They want a truck today, not a newsletter. If you are not in the map pack, the call goes to the company. That is, your install quality does not get a vote. The 3 pins do. Your Google profile has to say HVAC contractor or heating and air, not a vague contractor label. Services should match what people type. Emergency? Same day. Tune up. If you cover Falcon and security wide field, the listing and the site have to show that service area without looking like you serve the whole country. Photos of real trucks, real condensers, real attics, recent reviews after cooling season and heating season. A dead review profile in March looks closed in July. NAP has to be clean, hours have to be true, including weekend emergency if you run it. A site that loads slow on a 100-degree afternoon loses the tap. The HVAC companies getting the Colorado Springs dispatches have pages for AC repair, furnace repair, and same-day service with the city on the page. They post photos after cooling season and heating season. They rank for HVAC near me because the listing looks open right now, not because they bought a billboard on Powers. We live here. We know this weather. We will tell you why you are missing HVAC Colorado Springs and what it takes to get the dispatch calls. Month to month. Call 719-639-8238 and tell us what you do and where you do it. No pressure, no sales script, just a clear plan. Or go to caseysSEO.com.